Hello Insta fam. It's 5:30 and I know that a lot of you are excited for today's chat. I have got a lot of people sending me DMs, ki ask Anusha this, ask the couple that, and yes, I will try to take as many questions as I can possible. We're just waiting for a couple of few more people to join in. Thank you so much for joining in. Hi Anita, hi Avi, hi Shreya, hi Didi, thank you for coming every day. We're waiting for a couple of more people to join in before we introduce our special guest for the evening. Hi, hi Anusha, I'm waiting to start. Okay, because I'm super excited, I'm gonna just go straight into the chat. But before that, I'm gonna give you a small introduction of the special guest with us today. They are the most fun-loving and amazing couple that we have in this industry. He is the son of India's best violinist and music composer, Mr. Amar Haldipur. He is himself a fine keyboard player. He was part of this band Asman, amazing singer. He, along with his brother Siddharth Haldipur, are a fabulous award-winning music duo, composer duo, and they have composed songs like Azara Kareeb Se from Murder 2, and also composed for movies like Atma, Nasha, amongst many others. He's the dashing and multi-talented Sangeet Haldipur, and along with him we have his beautiful wife Anusha Mani, who is Bollywood's most loved and popular female singers, having sung songs like Gulabo from the movie Shandar, having sung songs like Lazy Lamhe for Thoda Pyar Thoda Magic, also my very own and personal favorite Tera Rasta Chodo Na for Chennai Express. She was also part of the TV show on MTV Angels of Rock, where she, along with other fellow singers, went on this amazing road trip and inspired hundreds of women out there across the nation by singing the original composition. Today we have this lovely couple with us, and they are not just a treat to hear but also a treat to watch, talk to them. So let's get on right away. Anusha Mani and Sangeet Haldipur. Live in 5, 4, 3, 2, and there they are. Hi.
Oh, hi Shrita.
Hi
Hi Shira, how are you?
I am good. How are you guys doing in this lockdown?
We're good. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
we
one
can't,
day at a
we
time,
can't be
and
complaining, things
You
are
all
happening.
look, you all look amazing. You all look super fresh. Uh, so how are the
uh,
lockdown duties going? कौन बर्तन कर रहा है? कौन cooking कर रहा है?
so we have a really good system around how we work. I cook. We both do bartan, but he does the pocha. I do
हाँ
dusting. He does the
हाँ.
washing machine में kapda. I fold and put it back in the closet. So I think we have
Wow.
like a pretty solid system around who does what. And I have to say that this boy is just so helpful and
He's
so
so
kind.
cute, yeah.
है, तभी तो शादी की
नहीं तो option नहीं था.
है. But I feel like yes, I mean it definitely helps to have a partner who's hands on with everything क्योंकि सब तो मेरे से होने से रहा.
Absolutely. That is so nice. And that is such an inspiration. You couples out there should learn something from these guys. I don't know how many of them know that you guys met at an RTO.
Yes.
How did
Yeah,
you start talking at an RTO? मतलब ये love story RTO से कैसे start हुई यार?
we went for license to drive and we ended up with license to wed. That's how it happened.
No, so
How cute.
basically I've known each other for very long as acquaintances. His bandmate Jimmy is actually a very good friend of mine, and
Okay.
we bumped into each other, and I thought it was him. I didn't even know I had his number. मैंने phone किया to ask him if it's him, and he said, "Yeah,
Yeah, and my
very."
phone flashed. I'm like, Anusha Mani calling me? I'm looking and he's right in front.
Are you
Mo-
serious? So Jimmy's been the Cupid in your story. Jimmy gets all points for that. He's the
Yeah,
Cupid in your
Absolutely.
story.
Jimmy is the
Yeah.
catalyst in this.
I
Uh,
needed, he had to check my sounding board and my stamp of approval for Sangeet.
yeah.
And Jimmy, being the amazing star that he is, like instantaneously was like, Sangeet is the guy for you, and he's the best guy in the like,
I can actually imagine Jimmy saying all this. I can imagine him in my head. He's always been like
I
that.
Possession of it.
He knows how to sell a product. He knows how to convince somebody.
Yeah. Even his show reel, oh my God, it's just like it's just out there. Like somebody
But
who watches the show reel and doesn't take him for a show must be crazy because
he
he's
does
so
know.
good at what he does. He convinces people like in 1 second.
Yeah, he's a very people's person. Like he draws people. He knows how to work with people's moods and hearts, and he's so approachable, and it's great. Yeah.
Yeah, somebody's saying Jimmy is a great friend to have. We all totally agree.
Yes.
Shilpa
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 Sai,
says,
Shilpa
yes,
Shastri
absolutely.
is my cousin who lives in America, and it's
Thank you
amazing
for
that she's
joining in.
signed in. Yeah,
How sweet. How sweet. There are so
Shilpa
many
Sai.
people here to just watch you guys together. They're all going on. And I've got so many DMs from last night. Please ask Sanusha this. Please ask Sangeet this. It's been crazy. I don't know how
Let's do.
many questions I can take, but I'm going to get to it. But before that, I saw a couple of things on the net and I came across this tattoo you guys have. Whose idea was it
Mm,
to take the thumb impressions and make that tattoo?
his idea.
How?
So
How did you
we
come up with this brilliant idea?
we were in Miami on a honeymoon, and suddenly,
Okay.
It's
know,
sort of honeymoon when you go like 2 years after you get married.
anyway, uh, so I was anyways getting this one particular tattoo of my
Huh.
sister, and other one I looked up something, and suddenly the idea of thumbprints came up in my head, and came up with the design.
आ
And
गया
sorry, mine looks like a disease somehow, but hers is nicer.
बट
Oh yeah,
बहुत
Anusha looks like a proper heart.
या बट ये बहुत शाना है क्योंकि मैंने उसको बोला था कि लेट मी डू इट फर्स्ट एंड अगर मैं
Huh.
नहीं कर then you don't have to do it because it hurts, right? It's like that
Yeah,
bony
of
part.
course.
But I went to get a smoothie and by then he was done with his tattoo. तो मुझे कर I have a choice. I had to
Yeah.
go through with it. It was done.
Sangeet, that means you're very romantic and all. I didn't know this about you.
And Shana, like
50-50.
Romantic and Shana.
yes.
So you guys travel a lot. I mean, obviously when you all are on gigs and all, a different story, but even together. So once this lockdown is over and once we're all back to normal someday or the other, which is the first destination you guys would really love to go to?
I want to go to my mom dad's house and we parked there. I really like, I can't, I mean, we've not actually had a holiday in very, very long. And it's not really bothered us so much because it's pretty chilled out at home. We have a great time when we're together and our dog is
And then
there.
a
He
buddy,
keeps
what
us.
else do you need in life?
Exactly. So, I mean, we don't really feel like we need a vacation after this because honestly, this lockdown has felt like a vacation in so many ways, in the sense that, you know, you're just sitting at home and there's really no work like the way we knew work to be.
Yeah.
So I think what I really want to do is after the lockdown ends is to, you know, just go
Spend
and
time with family.
family and also get into a studio, start recording, start doing things.
Just working. But
Yeah.
you did a virtual gig recently that I came to know about. And how was the experience of doing a virtual gig?
It was very unusual,
Yeah,
actually.
very.
I mean, we're so used to having right in front of us, but this has just gotten digital now, you know. So the vibe was still the same, honestly, to an extent, because
How many people were there? What was the audience like? They were all a part of Zoom.
sorry.
What was the audience like? How many people were there?
We did one in Zoom. We did one in this app called Hello App, where we actually had like a audience of
Yeah, but
about like
25K over there.
25K people. But the thing is, I feel like I mean, human beings are so cool in that sense that we learn to adapt and we learn to find solutions and we learn to kind of roll
True.
with things. And as much as I feel like we've been super successful in that sense, but
I
फिर
think
भी
we're just, getting used to
getting used to
making
a
the new
certain
normal a
yeah,
normal, right?
exactly, yeah.
Yeah,
So
getting used to life. I know
it's
it's
fine.
been different live sessions, absolutely different. I mean, we have so much fun just traveling, touring with our band members and having those after parties, those sound checks, everything.
The one thing that I really, really, really genuinely miss is my rehearsals and traveling with my band and my management and just that post gig hangouts and on stage. when we were like just vibing off of each other. I genuinely miss that, because there is nothing more gratifying than having a solid team of
Yeah.
people who just want to see you do well and who have your back, you know.
That's true.
So I really miss
That's true.
my. That's true, yeah. I miss my
I
team a
know.
lot.
I think Alap is somewhere on this live. Hi, Alap.
Alap, I miss you, Alap.
I think I just saw him
He's
over there. And so, what is it that you miss the most in this lockdown, apart from the gigs? Anything that you miss the most out from the outside world?
I think
Hanging
family,
out
my
with
parents and my brother, and
Yeah. It's just
his
about the
parents.
idea of getting to them, without having to worry if everything's okay.
Mhm.
Also, a lot of things have changed outside. There's so much, going on outside our houses that we're not
Mhm.
really uh, witness to, face to face. I mean, there's so many people who are going through so many hardships.
Yeah.
That really troubles me. And I wish that really subsides and actually things get
It
better.
will. We will see better times very, very soon. But to get to a more fun and light-hearted moment, I would like to play a small game with y'all. It's called Who's
Hey,
More? Okay. You guys just need to point out at each other.
got it.
Okay. As
Oh,
soon as I ask the question. Okay. Who's
Dina.
most likely to cancel a plan at the last minute? Who's
Always.
more forgetful? Who's
This
more
game,
funny?
it like Badnaam Karo Anusha, because he's like the god of everything, such a good boy, and I'm like the devil. So this game should actually be called Badnaam Karo. Anyway, next question.
I'm sure there'll be good things also about you. Who's more funnier?
I think
Really?
I would split it between both of us.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
That's some very, very funny thing.
Who takes more time to get ready?
Ah, come on. Huh?
Guy, he takes way too
No, you
much
know what
time.
happens? I don't take long. I just wait till the end moment and then I decide to get
But
ready.
basically, he's the last one. I'll be ready with my shoes and bag and everything, and
Yeah.
Ekta, I
Why,
love.
Sangeet? Why do you do that? Well, she's fully ready top to toe, but
Yeah.
why do you take so much time?
Why
Get
do you do it,
ready.
Sangeet? Why do you do it?
Once
Don't do it.
if I wait 5 minutes, then that kills the whole. Then you're just like
It's okay.
waiting.
It's okay.
What
It's
do you
okay.
do?
You lose this one. It's
Okay, I'll
okay.
use this.
Okay. Who's more romantic?
Hmm.
Really? I thought
Yeah.
he's the tattoo romantic guy.
No, he's romantic, but in his head, he's not. He doesn't express enough, I feel, and I'm just like extremely over
Yeah,
it.
I think she
Okay.
makes up.
Who
Yeah.
says sorry first?
Really? Okay. Yeah.
She's doubting that. Who spends more money on online shopping?
Sorry. What?
Who spends more money on online shopping?
Of course. I mean, I buy stuff for him as well, so obviously I spend. Yeah. He never shops. Never shops.
I
As that's my question.
Hi, Shaz. Get Sidhu also. I reminded him yesterday.
Done.
there's some guy called
Okay.
saying, Pradhani saying, "Ha, you guys are such cuties." I wonder who this guy is.
Everybody wonders on my chat who this guy is. He comes every day. Who does Buddy love more?
Buddy love more. So, there's a joke going on in the house that she's the master and I'm the servant.
So we address
Why?
Buddy's servant because he's just always there at his beck and call, and Buddy does treat Sangeet very badly. He doesn't listen to him, and I'm like the person who like disciplines Buddy and all of that. So I'm the master, and
Yeah,
he's
but
Buddy's
honestly, I
servant.
think we've understood love unconditionally through Buddy.
Where's Buddy? Buds? किधर गया ये?
Yeah, we need an appearance from him. We've been missing him on this show.
Hi.
Oh, look at him. There's
अरे
the
इधर आ,
cutie.
इधर आ.
Hi, Buddy.
मुंह दिखा. Okay.
मुंह दिखाई की रस्म.
There you
Yeah,
go.
see, listen to Anusha. I believe you now. When Anusha said "Mood cow," that's when he listened to her. Who's more patient amongst the two of you?
I would say.
This is like I should do Charan Sparsh every day for his patience. इतना patience मैंने किसी में नहीं देखा है. Not possible to have this much patience. He's made of something else.
But
पूरी
yeah. He looks like that shant, cute, patient, little innocent guy.
He's
Always.
third and very like balanced, and I'm like
Yeah, for me, it's like, what's the worst that can happen, right?
Yeah,
I
true.
mean,
I think
eventually,
you and your brother both are very similar. Huh? Whenever I talk to Siddharth, it's like Sangeet and Siddharth is like same vibe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're very, very sweet, kind, shant kind boys.
Yeah.
Patient.
Whose playlist is better amongst the two of you?
playlist, huh? I would say Anusha.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
No, but he's listened to more variety than me.
I
so
have, but I end up listening to the same thing over and over.
Even I do
sometimes. So, but she
I think
also
it's
has
different.
accents.
I think our playlists are very different. They're not better or worse. I think they're different.
Anusha Mani fan club says we love you both, forever favorites.
Oh, thank
That's
you.
sweet. Thank you. I can't do that. I would-
You can show your tattoo, Sangeet. It's okay. Who is the better cook?
Oh, she has
What,
been
what, is,
doing it in the kitchen, like
what has
restaurant
she
kind.
cooked the best in the quarantine period? What is the best dish that is?
Lavabdar. She also made a mixed veg kadai. She made palak paneer. I'm telling you, like this is to win me over. Good food, and it's sorted. So
After 10 years of being together, I finally realized that Sangeet can be wooed with food and
how.
Yeah.
Yeah.
10 साल के बाद मुझे realize हुआ है. खाना खिला तो
A way to a man's heart is through his stomach. It stands true for Sangeet totally.
Yep.
Absolutely.
True.
Who is more likely to fall asleep during a movie?
Oh, of course. So many times.
Which movie have you slept recently? Which movie have you slept through?
So many times that she's just
many.
fallen asleep. I'm watching and I'm like, oh, that was funny. And then I'm like, okay, there was no reaction. What happened? Look at her. Oh,
The thing is that while I'm falling asleep, I feel like telling him, "Baby, मुझे नींद आ रहा है, सो जाते हैं," या मैं सो रही हूँ. But in my head, I feel like I love the idea of him watching a movie and me passed out on his lap. So I just be quiet and I'm like gone.
yeah, but thankfully never in a.
I've fallen asleep in a theater once, not with you.
I did while watching. What was that? It was in the IMAX or something. I can't remember. Like it was too heavy for the head, and suddenly I was so I fell asleep.
How cute. So that was the round who's more, and I feel like I've got to know you guys a little bit more, especially Sangeet. I didn't know a lot of sides of you. I thought you are the more romantic one, but now we've come to know.
He's got sides. Beware people.
Yeah.
But did you like this game, guys? Because I have another one planned for you.
Sometimes we don't.
I would love to take some audience questions in case you guys want to ask something. Please go right ahead. I'm going to take a few of them if possible for sure.
So
I have this other game.
These coming. Thank you, Sonali.
Thank you, Sonali.
Jugalbandis, yes. The Jugalbandis with the pepper shaker and the Ghar Ka Bartan is like amazing.
Challenge for BMP that we had done, Bollywood Music Project. But
yes.
Absolutely.
I saw that one.
Yeah, more stuff in the pipeline.
Yeah, was that actually while cooking or something? Suddenly some song comes to her and I start playing on it, and then she take the burtan and do something.
But latest cover Tu Hi Re is amazing. Like it's on loop in my playlist. It's just absolutely fantastic. Even the video is amazing to watch. It's really amazing. If you guys haven't watched it yet, please go.
Yeah, video Rashmin Digge.
Short, edited, everything.
Yeah.
Ekta Gokani says we love them as they are. I'm sure all of us do. No question. We just love them as they are. Wow.
Oh,
so sweet. Yeah.
So sweet.
Okay, tell me something. You all have known each other for so long, but being locked down in the house, have you all come to know of any secrets or anything that you all didn't know before?
Not really. I think we pretty much know everything.
Yeah, no. After 10 years, pretty much kind of settle into each other's lives. What I've actually realized is that Sangeet is a lot more like I said, hands-on, help and clean and help with whatever I need. He's just very hands-on. He's always been, but I've realized it even more than before, I think.
Wow, look at him. Look at look at his expressions behind you. Somebody says a Ghana with harmony. Do you guys mind doing one song for us?
Yeah, yeah,
With
absolutely.
harmony, okay. Fine.
Kabira?
Yeah, let's do that.
E or D? Or D sharp?
Whichever one you guys like or love at this very moment comes to your mind. Any song.
टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई रास्ता देखे ओ दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराई रास्ता देखे बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइया रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे फकीरा संग तेरे है सवेरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे फकीरा संग तेरे है सवेरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा
Oh my God, amazing. We've got tons of wows and superbs and somebody said please get the whole family. Where's Buddy? He's somewhere around, he's playing.
Buddy is
He's trying to distract himself. Honestly, this is his time to go down and do his business.
yeah.
We've kept him busy with all his toys.
Yes.
So how do you guys take him down? You all take him down in the compound?
In the
in the society?
The compound with masks and gloves and everything.
Not his, but ours.
But ours.
Obviously, they are safe, we are not.
So, who's your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer. Honestly, there are a lot of great cricketers.
Sorry, that's Buddy playing with his
Yeah,
toy.
that's not me. Trust me. I've eaten some good food. What are you doing? I think nothing can replace a Sachin Tendulkar's aura.
I agree.
It just takes me back to my board exams. It takes me back to so many moments from my holidays as a kid, and just sitting and knowing that man, that cricketer called Sachin Tendulkar is coming to the field.
Yeah.
He should just create an atmosphere that you cannot, miss. It was
I
just
agree.
All are missing cricket right now. There's no IPL, there are no sports event, nothing happening.
Yeah, that's true.
But we're gonna get back to that soon. Till then, we're seeing Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli playing bat ball in their terrace. I don't know if you guys saw that video.
He is also a dinosaur.
Meme that's going on is damn cute. By the way, Usha Mani fan is asking which color you'll get on your hair after lockdown. I have been talking about this for very long, but I think I'm going to go back to being a redhead. I miss my red hair. Jitni band बाल की लाल करने के बाद, but nevertheless,
it's also looking very nice. What you have right now is very nice.
Red was my color. It just gave me character.
Yeah. It was really nice color though. Okay, we
impressed by your Rangreza challenge. Thank you very much.
I'm so happy that you guys keep doing something or the other which is related to music even during this lockdown. I mean, so many of your fans are missing watching you guys live on stage, I'm sure. But I don't think so. You'll give them a chance to be disappointed because you're always at it, and that Rangreza challenge was absolutely one such moment which we all experienced down there. And please keep doing what you guys keep doing. We
Thank you.
love your music, both of you all together. And
Thank you.
Sangeet, when do we expect your next composition? When is it that we are seeing you compose for a movie?
For a movie, in fact,
Mm-hmm.
we were working on one, and because the lockdown got stuck. So I'm guessing once they resume stuff, I think post October, mostly looks like everything is going to come out next year because
Yeah, I
for
mean,
people to shoot or even to go out there and do anything,
everything's
it take a lot of
delayed.
time.
Yeah.
Have
But
you
But we
thought of giving music to a web series?
sorry, what?
Have you thought of giving music for a web series, Sangeet?
we have, in
He's
fact, me and
done
Siddharth,
so many web
yes, me
series,
and Siddharth have scored for
background
background
scores,
scores
and
for web series, and I mean, for us, music is music, Just because it's a web series,
That's
we want
correct,
the
web
correct, correct.
series.
And we're also working on a lot of independent music.
yeah.
We've been writing, and
Absolutely, I think independent music is the way to go right now. A lot of people are looking forward to that.
I'm very
But come,
song which we've so I started writing it this one night. I couldn't sleep and I was getting anxiety, and this is before lockdown, and it was like
okay.
3 in the morning and I didn't want to wake him up, so I was just lying in bed and I wrote these like about 8 lines, and I felt so good after writing that I fell asleep and I kind of showed it to Sangeet the next day, and then he wrote
Hmm.
8 more lines, and then he composed on it. So this is going to be the first time that we've
Yeah.
composed together and
Wow.
written it together. I mean, he's composed it and we've written it together, and I'm very excited to get that song out of the way
It's
to the
special.
people. Yeah,
It's very
very
special.
special. Yeah.
We all are waiting for that. I'm sure Anusha Mani fan club is also waiting for it because it's been going on commenting on everything
How's
that
doing?
they see. So you guys have been watching a lot of web series lately because of the whole
Absolutely.
Netflix binge.
Isn't isn't
Which has been your best web series this quarantine period?
I think Better Call Saul.
it was really
It
interesting.
was really nice. I can't wait for the
It
last
was a slow
season.
beginning, but like you really take to that character, and it was
Yes.
really, really
Better
well
Call
done.
Saul, Breaking Bad. We just finished Patal Lok. We saw.
It was
Okay.
really nice. Anushka
Money.
Sharma, well done.
Yeah, well done,
Thank
well
you for
done.
supporting.
Yeah, Patal was really good. It was really
All-
good. And it was very tight and crisp. And I'm happy they
Yeah,
ended it in that season one and didn't keep the
yeah,
suspense going.
yeah.
It's a really, really good series to look at.
Correct.
Okay, it's time for another game. It's called Speed Up with Shrida. Okay.
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 So I'm gonna be asking you guys questions individually. Okay,
Mm.
and you all have to answer as much as possible in one word and very quickly.
Okay, done.
Okay. So we'll
Yeah.
start with Sangeet.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Which Bollywood director's next film would you like to compose for?
Jaldi.
Damn.
First, it's speed up, like fast. Any person that you
He's
think of.
horrible. Always takes like.
That's them,
Are
yeah.
you just take one?
You
One
say the
thing.
first one.
Sujit Sarkar.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Finally.
Okay. Okay, fine. Your turn. Okay. I'll give you one. Out of two legendary music directors, Amit Trivedi and Shankar Mahadevan, who's your favorite pick? I know
मत
you.
कर ये गलत है ये गलत ये नहीं I mean how can you choose between two music composers, and especially one who's been a friend first and then a work colleague and then somebody who's mentored me for so
Or
many
unless they start calling themselves Sela or something, Shankar S and Loy Amit. KL.
so
Okay,
bad.
fine. We get
I'm
it. It is a difficult choice.
in the
Okay,
question.
fine. Okay, fine. Sangeet for you. If not music, what career would you choose?
What career would I choose? I had this kida of acting. I had given my aptitude in college, and I don't know what it was, but sab jagah pe acting. I'm like, what? Then I gave it a shot also, and I sucked at it So I decided never to do it.
Are you serious? I absolutely didn't know this about you.
Even
But I
didn't.
would love to see you act sometime. Now that I know about this Kida.
Akira.
Okay. Okay. For Anusha, which Bollywood actress would you like to lend your voice next? I know you've done it for a couple of them, but which one would you like? You really love
I
to.
would lend my voice for one of the older ones, maybe like Shabana ji,
Yeah.
or from the earlier generation, like somebody like
Uh-huh.
that. I would
Oh wow, nice. That's a new one. Huh? Not heard too many people saying that. They always have some of the actors already planted in their mind. इसके लिए तो गाऊंगी कभी ना कभी type of a
yeah.
thing. Okay.
I mean,
Uh,
honestly, होना चाहिए. I don't care कहाँ पे कैसे किधर कौन नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. Honestly नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. As long as the song is good and you get to sing it, that's all that matters.
Absolutely. Which is the favorite? This is not part of the speed up, but which is your most favorite song that you've sung till date?
I
I know
can't.
there are so many. It
I think
like it's very close to your heart. You know,
Lehri,
like
Lehri had a backstory to it, and also Dil Mein Jagi because I got to write it as well from Devdi. So Dil Mein Jagi,
yes,
I was Dil Mein Jagi because I got to write it. Funny?
nice. Okay. Okay, Sangeet, for you. Jazz music or classical music? Your choice.
I think
What
one
would
is
you pick?
the other. It's all mixed up. It comes from. It takes inspiration from the
So
other,
then
anyways.
jazz because then it also has classical.
Uh, classical jazz, yeah.
ये कैसा answer है?
He's the worst. He's the worst.
No, but honestly, if I have to listen to,
You have to pick, Sangeet. You have to pick.
I listen to jazz. Yeah.
Because see, I know you're close to music. You like everything. You love everything about it. But
The
your priorities, you know.
after 15 seconds. Yeah, okay.
Which is the
I
case with
choose jazz.
जनता जानना चाहती है. You know,
See.
Janta wants to know what Sangeet likes, what Anusha likes.
Yes.
Okay, coming on to Anusha, the best gift Sangeet has ever given you.
Oh, music. His music. I feel like he's helped me evolve so much as an artist. It's not even funny. I don't think
And
I
he's
would.
also teaching you Marathi. That we saw.
Oh, ती छान बोलायला शिकली मी आणि मी आता पण प्रॅक्टिस करत आहे आणि गोड गोड बोलत आहे.
Oh, गोड बोलते.
गोड गोड बोलते.
अरे तू नेहमीच गोड गोड बोलते. तुझं तोंडच एक अगदी गोड आहे मुलगी.
तिचं तोंड.
Okay, Sangeet, beach date or rooftop date? Your preference. ये तो फटाफट बोल दो. Any day. Superb. I thought as much. Okay, Anusha, if you were given one superpower right now, what would you choose?
I would fly.
Really?
Yeah, I've always had this thing as a kid when I used to see birds flying, and when I was really little, I used to really feel like I need to be able to fly, just like jump out of a window. Thankfully, I didn't try it, but I've always had this urge to fly. So,
Nice.
for sure.
Superb. Sangeet, if you could rename the band Asma, if you got a choice to name it, what would you name it?
Call him again after 2 days, he'll still be like,
I would call it.
Sorry, what would you call it? I missed that. I was laughing.
I said we are team.
because you feel more grounded, he's saying.
Oh my God. Sangeet, you are the funnier one. I've come to know now.
I told you.
Okay. I know one thing about Anusha, but let me ask her this question. Chocolates or ice creams? Your favorite pick?
Chocolates.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Sangeet, which song would you sing for Anusha when she's upset with you?
He never sings for me. He
His
never.
music is the best gift to you. गाना कभी ना कभी तो गाएगा ना.
Pain throws your heart to the ground. Love turns the whole thing around. No, it won't all go the way it should, but I know the heart of life is good.
Oh, sweet.
How sweet. That was so cute.
Thank you.
Aw, all
This,
hearts for you, Sangeeta.
this is
ये
why.
वो reason. जनता
अच्छा,
जान चुकी.
Janta Jaan Chiki. Anusha, what is the best compliment Sangeet has given you?
He gives me lots of. I think he compliments me a little too much, if you ask me. But I also get it because love does. It makes you blind, and then you just see only good things in a person.
I don't think it's just love. It's just seeing the person for who that
Okay,
person
okay.
is, right?
I think he compliments me most on my smile.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, that also
I-
gives to see her happier. So the more happier she is, the more she'll smile. So
So while you were getting your driving license, Anusha, you must be very happy. You must be like, I got my driving license. He's like, smile. This is the girl.
no, truly, I really,
Um,
I want the world to. Honestly, I'm that kind of a person. I want to see everyone. I see so many
That's
people
true.
on the
That's
road
true.
while I'm driving or just walking. There's so much like tension. There's so much frustration on the face. I just feel like, take it easy on yourself.
Sangeet is extremely compassionate in that sense. रास्ते पे कोई बिल्ली होगी, कुत्ता होगा, तो he will stop the car, get out, play, feed it. He will take that extra. Even if you're running late, he will stop and play with the stray dog and then move on. Like he's just that kind of a person who will not ignore anyone. Who will be kind to everybody. He'll take care of even the watchman or the staff or the driver. He'll be very kind to them. It's just the person he is.
How sweet, Sangeet. That is the most amazing compliment I have seen on this live show. I've been doing this for almost 2 weeks now, getting to know these people out there. But you guys are so cute. I would really love if you guys could sing Tu Hi Re together because I love that song personally. If you all don't mind, just a few lines.
Do we ready?
I cannot remember the key where
Yeah.
I was in.
I think D or E or maybe. What is this?
C.
No, so I think D. Sorry, wait, trying to figure out some.
No problem.
Maybe because.
Do it. Do you remember the harmony?
I'll try. It was too much that time. Let's try.
Okay. 100 बार बुलाई मैं 100 बार आऊं एक बार जो दिल दिया एक आँख रोई तो दूजी बोलो सोएगी कैसे भला इन प्यार की राहों में पत्थर है कितने उन सब को ही पार किया एक नदी हूँ मैं चाहत भरी आज मिलने सागर को आई यहाँ सजना सजना आज आंसू भी मीठे लगे You know, this is called singing harmonies. This is I can't. This is a classic example of an unrehearsed song with half harmonies and half mains.
It was so amazing. We have Shalmali also, and she said beautiful.
Chal, thank you for bearing our half prepared Tuire. Shalmali.
Oh, she on?
Yeah.
Hey, Shal.
Hey, Prithvi's here. Total feels. Hi, Prithvi. How are you? So many amazing on this page.
Your half prepared act gave so many people goosebumps right now. So I can't even imagine when it's fully prepared.
Actually sung this song from the time we recorded it, and we recorded it last year in I think October or something. So after that we've never sung it together, so it was pretty all over the place if you ask me.
Which is your favorite song? And a lot of audience people have also asked. It's very difficult to pick.
so it's such a strange question. It's like asking who's your favorite parent or who's your favorite sibling. It's like music is just such a thing that, I mean, you can't pick a favorite. You can't. Okay, I'll tell you my go-to song when I am
Yeah.
just upset or when I'm angry or when I'm just not in the right place. There's one song that I always sing to myself, which is "Kuch To Log Kahenge, Logon Ka Kaam Hai Kehna." I think that song by Kishore Da is just absolutely. I mean, what brilliant writing! The kind of music that really makes a difference in this world, and that's what you need. I mean, it's all cool to have dance numbers and pop songs and peppy songs and all that, but the music that just kind of instills good thoughts and gives you hope and gives you happiness is really the kind of music that
Yeah.
my
Absolutely. And the lyrics just takes the song to a whole another level.
absolute
Sangeet, what about you? What is your go-to song?
Anand Bakshi ji. Yes, absolutely, Prithvi.
My go-to song.
Mhm.
Um, I honestly don't have one. Yeah. I really can't think of
I
one.
think his go-to thing with music is to play piano. Like he's just like with
Yeah,
himself.
if I'm in a zone and
Hmm.
I need a relief, my piano is the place.
Yeah,
And that's honestly a lot of uh, a lot of artists use this as a
yeah,
way of composing or creating.
expressing. Yeah,
Uh, it comes out in your music.
Yeah.
If you're feeling
But
and
I love the piano too, Sangeet. I completely understand and I can feel what you're trying to tell us over there. I love the piano. I love the way it sounds and just so soothing and amazing in itself. Like just by itself, without any lyrics, the piano can do wonders. So I
does.
completely agree with you there. Avi has a special request which is written on. If you could sing Tumse Hi from Asma.
Tumse Hi Pyar.
तुमसे ही
I
प्यार.
love that song, and I remember when this video had come out, I was like, man, what is this song and the harmonies and this video? The video was exquisite. Of course, that time I looked at Sangeet and I was like, कौन है
कौन है ये?
ये?
क्या कर रहा
क्या
है?
कर रहे हैं?
ए, ऐसा कुछ था.
Destiny, destiny, just destiny.
Okay, sing the main, I'll sing the harmony.
Okay. तुमसे ही तुमसे ही प्यार करना है, तुमसे ही दिल लगाना है, तुम्हारे प्यार का ये दिल दीवाना था, दीवाना है, तुमसे ही प्यार करना है.
Dedicating that to Jimmy Neeti and
Jimmy
Vasudha.
Neeti and Vasudha. What a beautiful song.
Yeah, absolutely. Those guys. When did you guys have the last party with them? It's been a while. I saw that even before the lockdown. When was the last time you guys met?
The last was Christmas party at Neeti's house,
Yeah.
and before
Ah.
that, the housewarming party here. We just moved into a new house last year, and we had a housewarming for the Asma gang, and yeah, it was a lot of fun.
The
We-
Asma gang is amazing, and all of you guys are married now. So, do you guys
Yeah.
go on double dates with each other?
Now we just put our name on the guest list as Asma +1.
Correct.
As simple as that.
It's all
Now,
How
सारे +1 हुए अभी.
how cute, how cute. But if you get a chance, Anusha, to form a band with all your girlfriends, I see a lot of them from the industry. Which four apart from you would you pick?
Which four? You know what? When I'd done MTV Angels of Rock, that was
Yes.
really it was really a turning point in my life to recognize my own songwriting and my music and the company that I kept in Akasa and Jasmine and Shalmali. So if I had to do a band, then it would be these people because the amount of space, mental space we gave each other, and the amount of respect we gave each other, and kind of powered through that really gruesome, difficult month and a half. It was very challenging and it was a great experience for me. I found some great friends. I made great friends.
That's true.
So
A road trip is always a good idea, and when you have music on the way, I'm sure absolutely it was an amazing one. One of your fans wants to know which is your favorite singer in male. Both of y'all can answer because he's not specified which one.
the very obvious Arijit Singh for me currently.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Like,
He
Hands
really
down.
outshines everyone. He's just level of talent and
Yeah, absolutely. Which is your favorite Arijit song? I mean, he has
what
too many to actually pick from. The favorite
Arijit
Arijit song.
can't. I mean, there are so many.
yeah, there are quite a few songs
A lot of songs. I love Lal Ishq. I love Aaj Ibadat. I love
there.
Agar Tum Saath Ho.
Even the one from no,
Yeah, the Arabic one.
nahi, nahi. Yeah.
Anyway,
But there are
lots.
very few singers who can actually sing soulful songs as well as peppy songs. I mean, Arijit is
He's
completely that.
extremely
Yeah.
versatile. There's no two ways about it.
But
He's something.
Anusha, so are you. I mean, from a Gulabo to a Lehre to a Lazy Lamhe to Tera Rasta Choduna, you had like a bundle of songs there which have been all different genres.
That's
So you love singing peppy songs more, or it's more like the soulful acoustic, the songs with the vibe.
I'm like an old soul. I
Yeah, she's a
really
sucker for these soulful songs
like
completely. In
really
fact,
Rona
the story she told me
Dhona.
about Gulabo was she's like, I didn't want to sing it, and Amit was like, I have to sing it, just do it this way. And I was like, why the negativity towards a particular song? Just like believe
I
it
just
in the
felt
song.
like I couldn't do it, or I thought maybe it won't sound good. But
Yeah. So
yeah,
it was just self doubt, but eventually,
yeah,
you get that kind of realization when people actually love you for what you're doing in so many different aspects.
Yeah.
true.
Somebody
Sorry.
said Savera is soulful. I saw that one on your channel as well. Savera, it's an amazing song that
Savera.
you recently put
I
up.
think for Savera for 2-3 people asked for Savera
Yes,
earlier.
Abhilipsa
Me too.
underscore me too. There you go. बैठी रात रजाई में मेरे कल का भूल लिए 210 की पढ़ाई में ढाई आकर छोड़ दिए 100 कदम चली थी 2 कदम थे बाकी मैं सवेरा कैसे लाती चांद डूबा ही नहीं चांद डूबा ही नहीं मैं सवेरा कैसे लाती सवेरा कैसे लाती सवेरा कैसे लाती मैं सवेरा कैसे लाती चांद डूबा ही नहीं
Awesome, awesome, awesome. I have no other
Thank you.
word for this song. It was absolutely awesome. Somebody's written this is our lockdown song. It's giving us hope for the lockdown to get over soon.
Yes,
Oh, really?
I mean, I know this has been a difficult time on all of us, but just knowing that a lot of people are facing much worse than what we are just is
Yeah, we need to be grateful for the
grateful.
luxuries
Absolutely.
and,
घर पे छत है, खाना है, luxury है, AC है, fan है.
but there
You
are
know,
also artists and musicians who are really finding it tough.
Yeah.
Oh,
Current
absolutely.
stage, and our heart
Absolutely.
really goes out to them because it's honestly a risk getting into
This profession,
profession.
it's
It's not a salaried profession.
yeah, and
It's
the
a very
amount of bad days you see and the amount of challenges one has to face, it takes a lot of courage to make
Yeah.
music your full-time profession, and it's that's the
Absolutely.
truth of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
people just
light
see the
smooth.
glam part of it, but they don't know.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, people get it. I mean, I have so many of my friends from childhood who say, "Oh, your life is so cool," or "It's all fancy. And you know what? I get it. It is to a huge extent, but it's also we go through so much. We go through. There was this post that a very great musician had written, which was doing the rounds. That musicians are the most brave people in this world. We face rejection on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, I feel like it
But
takes a
which
lot.
has been your best gig? Talking about the worst, let's come to the best. Which has been, I know it's again a very difficult question, but just that gig for its sound check, for its rehearsal, for its after party, or being on stage, or the audience, anything at all that you will never forget.
One college fest for me was in Agnya in Kerala, I remember. And that was a brilliant show. That crowd was just like the most stunning crowd of. They were singing so loud, and every song they were singing so loud that I couldn't hear myself. It was crazy. And then another one I'd done in Pune, it was a corporate event, which was, I think, it was just, I can't get it out of my head. Energy was just something else.
Yeah, but College Fest, I agree. Those kids
Yeah,
are insane and they can get so much energy into you.
yeah.
What about?
What about you? Your best show?
I mean, it would be a tie between two because both were very extremely special in its own way. One was the 2003 Asma launch concert that happened at MMRD grounds. I'd never experienced something like that, 50,000 people. To perform for 50,000 people
Wow.
was not even a dream for me. For me, it was just about making, but to see 50,000 people watching you do that
Yeah.
was something else. And then there was recently something that I did in Ahmedabad for Birwaji and Fazal Qureshi. There was this Ahmedabadni Gufa, it's called. So it's a
Okay.
cave.
Cave, and they performed
And
inside the cave.
MF Hussain ji
Wow.
used to be in that cave and he's painted the walls. And it was a very, very intimate show. And I performed Savera there for everyone. By the end,
Everybody was
there
singing
were
Savera. We have
exclusively
a
100
video of
people
it, yeah.
sitting over there. It's on my IGTV if anyone wants to watch it.
I
There
am
were
definitely going to watch it and you guys should too. Shazia had a special request for Anusha.
yeah,
She says, I have a request, Anusha, Mora Saiya Mujhse Bole Na, please.
yeah,
Ah.
beta gao.
All the songs that I haven't sung in so long, I don't even
It's
remember.
for Shaz. It's for Shaz.
Call her and sing later. I don't have to do it here. Oh, by the way, before I move on, I just have to say another really memorable show that I did just before the lockdown ended. Sorry, was in Ambernath. Shiv Mandir Art Festival. I have to put out this out in the open. One of the most amazing crowds again, like best audience. Suddenly याद आया बात करते समय.
Yeah.
Of course.
B. What came this?
Okay.
That was fine. I'm just gonna sing two lines because I legit don't remember this song. सावन भी तो जाए पिहरवा, सावन भी तो जाए पिहरवा, मन मेरा घबराए, मन मेरा घबराए, सो गए परदेस पिया तुम, ऐसो गए परदेस पिया तुम, चैन हमें नहीं आए, चैन हमें नहीं आए, मुरा सैया मुझसे भूले ना, मुरा सैया मुझसे भूले ना. याद आ गया.
Shaz says, I love you. वाह क्या voice है. Shaz तुमने बहुत बार सुनी है, but for you she did this one.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So many people have said it's magical, amazing, and whatnot. But thank you so much for being on this live chat with me today, Sangeet and Anusha. Thank you so much.
It was really kind of you to think of us and
Yeah,
for
this was
organizing
fun.
this. Yes.
It was supposed to be what, It's like almost an hour.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, pata hi nahi
I
chala.
just realized that, and I can go on because you guys are an amazing couple to just hang out with, to just
So
chat. It
correct.
didn't feel like
Like
I
an hour.
had
It
to.
was fun.
Pretty awesome. And big shout out to Avinash for
Yes,
all the
and Spunk
amazing,
Entertainment for all the great work you guys are doing.
amazing
Yeah.
work that Spunk Entertainment does in the event industry, and yours wishing that
Absolutely.
it really, comes back into motion very fast. And thank you for having us. And thank you to
Thank you
everyone
so
who
much.
called in.
Yes, thank you guys for logging in and
Shilpatai, Ashal, Prithvi, Shaz,
Avinash.
Avinash. There's so many names.
Yes.
Vibhuti. Thank you for logging in and all
Yes,
the
thank
love.
you so much.
Would you guys like to give a last message for this lockdown, for this pandemic, to all your viewers, your fans, your followers out there?
Just stay happy, stay positive. Look out for people around you, the dogs on the roads, cats on the roads,
Yeah.
your guards, you at least try and pay your salaries to your staff who's not coming. Look out for people who don't have what you have instead of looking at what you don't have that other people have. You can practice gratitude as the best way to live in gratitude and to help human beings and animals and birds and beings
Totally.
and nature. That's it.
Absolutely bang on. I agree with her. Sangeet, you want to add on something
Yeah,
excepting for your dimple? Kuch add on
every
karoge?
talk so
What
sad.
do I want
Sorry.
to I feel like people should just look up words like kindness, gratitude, compassion, empathy.
वही मैंने भी बोला था.
वही बोल रहा हूँ. But just
Same to same. Copy paste it.
words are very loosely used and it doesn't come into
That's
play
true.
most of the time.
Practicing
And
that is
now
yeah.
is really the test for people to realize how kind they can
Yeah,
be towards
yeah.
the less fortunate.
And yourself. Be kind to yourself. It's okay if you're
Absolutely.
struggling. Okay if you're feeling anxious. Everybody is. Don't look at social media and get influenced कि oh everyone's so cool because जो डालना चाहते हैं लोग जो दिखाना चाहते हैं वो ही डालते हैं. So don't just know that everybody's struggling in some way or the other. Just hang in there. It'll pass.
Absolutely. For you guys out there, keep talking to each other, keep communicating, and whatever you do, say it with spunk. We'll see you very, very soon. Thank you,
Yes.
guys. Thank you once
Thank
again.
Love, lots of
Thank
love. Thank you,
you.
Avinash. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for logging in.